फिर बनी 90s की जोड़ी पूजा भट्ट और दीपक तिजोरी की। एक बार फिर से महेश भट्ट के साथ दिखे पूजा भट्ट और दीपक तिजोरी। ये जोड़ी बनी थी दिल है कि मानता नहीं से। उसके बाद जानम, फिर सड़क और फिर पहला नशा में पूजा भट्ट और दीपक तिजोरी ने काम किया और महेश भट्ट ने इनको डायरेक्ट किया था। लेकिन अब ये साथ में दिखाई दे रहे हैं नई फिल्म टिप्सी में, जो दीपक लेकर आए हैं। भाई मुंबई में हुआ इस फिल्म का ट्रेलर लॉन्च, जहां पर ये सब लोग नजर आए। भाई इस फिल्म में अलंकृता सहाय, नताशा सूरी, कायनात अरोरा जैसे कलाकार हैं और सोनिया बिर्जे जैसे कलाकार हैं, साथ में नए चेहरे भी। तो देखते हैं इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च के खास नजारे।
See, I think because probably it was females who were getting drunk. So I think the most ideal thing I thought probably was all my life I have seen Tipsy. So I might as well just go with it.
You heard me loud and clear. I said, and it's a hit. Yes. But these are the words that every filmmaker hungers to hear, thirsts to hear. And I can smell a hit. It's got vitality, it's got energy, it's got a very clear, engaging, unpretentious narrative. It caters to the pace of the times that we live in. We have an attention deficit age where content only compelling content which is got a certain amount of energy and vitality and sensuality will work. And I think it has got everything. I wish I had heard more of the song, but I think it's for 2 minutes 31 seconds. You couldn't have packed more. But I think Deepak makes a very promising entry that he seems to be the antagonist who's going to give the girls a tough time. I hope they don't have an unhappy ending. I want the girls to go back after the adventure to Goa, back home unscathed. And I see those guys who spike their drink, and I want to give them a bloody nose, unveil as the movie unfolds. And I'm happy that you got a UA.
Yes, Bhatta.
You should have got an AA.
Don't put this up until my screening happens.
No, but for people of yesterday like me, who belong to a mindset where we were very, very prudish in approach, the times have changed. And I think it has the buzz and the vitality of today.
What's most important is, yes, the title Tipsy. Ironically, दीपक तिजोरी ये फिल्म बना रहे जिन्होंने जिंदगी में एक बूंद शराब भी पी नहीं है. My sober friend who's high on life, higher than most. Which is why जब मैं टिप्सी रहा करती थी मेरी ज़िंदगी में एक दौरान, ये मेरे सोबर फ्रेंड ही मेरा एक सहारा. He would never judge me and he would drop me home and he would clean up a lot of my mess and remind me कल रात को क्या हुआ. ये सवाल मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत पूछा है, कल रात को क्या हुआ, हम लोग यहाँ से वहाँ कैसे पहुँचे. But those were the days, darling. Now I'm drunk on life, 7.5 years sober and delighted to be standing here with my dear friend. 30 साल से ऊपर से ज़्यादा हो गए ना. आई थिंक आप झेल रहे हैं मुझे 30 साल से. एंड आई थिंक दैट इन अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ unreality, it's nice to have a real friend in the real world. You know, my 4 a.m. friend who I can call no matter what. And 10 साल के लिए भी बात नहीं करेंगे तो we pick up from exactly where we've left off. So I'm here to cheer you on, my friend. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you because I met you first as an actor. आप आशिकी की सेट पे थे, बहुत ही सुपीरियर तरह से चल रहे थे. उनको पता था कि आई एम द बेस्ट एक्टर ऑन सेट. मैं फिल्म करने वाली थी, मैंने छोड़ दी फिल्म. एंड व्हेन ही फाउंड आउट ही वाज लाइक, व्हाई डिड यू लीव आशिकी? आई सेड फॉर लव. ही सेड बेवकूफ. फिर मुझे पता चला कि ये LLB हैं. तो मैंने बोला, और आप एक्टिंग कर रहे हो? बेवकूफ. You know, so we've been friends since. And I was in his first film when he produced पहला नशा.
Right.
उसमें मैंने काम की थी. And yes, and I've been there. He's been there for every milestone. I've been there for every milestone, and may you enjoy more milestones, and may we work together soon.
Yes.
I can still pretend to be drunk. I don't have to be drunk to be in Tipsy Part 2. Yeah, but I mean, congratulations to you and all you gorgeous, gorgeous team members, and good luck. I know it's taken a while to get this out there, and Deepak Tijori, you still fill up a screen like none other. It's good to see you on that big screen where you belong. So I love you, my friend, and good luck. And I hope the movie is a hit, and I hope that I'm going to be here celebrating with you many more.
बताना चाहूँगा कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार हूँ इन पांचों लड़कियों का because they have been extremely cooperative or they've gone out of their way. They've played characters which is nowhere close to what their actual personality is and they actually transformed जैसे आपने देखा स्क्रीन के ऊपर वो बिल्कुल अलग ही तरीके से पेश आई हैं and I think I've been very happy to have been with these 5 girls because मुझे डर लग रहा था कि 5 लड़कियां सेट पे मैं पहले 2 लड़कियों के साथ में मैंने एक बार काम किया था और एक बार मैंने पूजा और रवीना के साथ पहला नशा में काम किया था तब कसम खाई थी कि मैं 2 हीरोइनों के साथ साथ में नहीं था फिर भी एक फ़ोटो शूट में मेरे पसीने निकल गए थे सिर्फ एक फ़ोटो शूट में तो मैंने उस टाइम पे सोचा था अभी मैंने 5 लड़कियों के साथ जब हिम्मत करी मैंने बनाने की सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि पता नहीं कैसी लड़कियां मिलेंगी बट आई थिंक दे हैव बीन सो वंडरफुल थैंक यू ऑल यू गर्ल्स absolutely gorgeous and you've been such wonderful actors also so I was very taken aback as and when we started rehearsing and started doing workshops तो एक छोटी सी पेंटिंग होती है उसमें थोड़े से जब कलर्स लगते हैं और धीरे धीरे जब पेंटिंग पूरी होने लगती है तो वो जो एक नज़ारा था वो धीरे धीरे मैं इन लोगों में देख रहा था एंड आई वाज फीलिंग हैप्पी दैट आई मेड राइट चॉइसेस ऑफ ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स दैट आई हैव पिक्ड अप सो आई वाज वेरी थ्रिल्ड बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था मेरे को उस टाइम पे बट द मोमेंट वी वर ऑन द फ्लोर आई सॉ सम डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली हैप्पी गौरव it's been such a wonderful journey thank you girls thank you and all the actors who are here again they've all been so wonderful जिनको हम लोग बाद में बुलाते हैं मिलाते हैं आप लोग सबसे सो लेट्स अस जस्ट फिनिश द क्वेश्चन बस जनरली टिप्सी जो है वो बहुत इजीली लोग यूज़ कर लेते हैं बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू इंसिस्ट कि दिस इज़ रियली गेटिंग टल्ली दे आर रियली गेटिंग टल्ली सो इट वाज जस्ट एन एनहांसमेंट दैट्स अबाउट इट जैसे मैंने एक्टरों से जो वो नहीं है वो करवाया मैं भी ज़िंदगी में भट्ट साहब से यही सीखा हूँ मेक अ फिल्म विच इज़ एक्चुअली एक बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़्यादा इंप्रेशन हमेशा एक कास्ट किया था शायद भट्ट साहब को याद नहीं होगा और शायद पूजा को भी याद नहीं होगा मैंने मेरी पहली फिल्म बनाई थी ऊप्स और तभी हम लोग केतनव के बाहर थे पूजा और मैं और भट्ट साहब बाहर निकले और वो भी डायरेक्टर बन रही थी मैं भी डायरेक्टर बन रहा था और हम लोग दोनों के कंधे पे हाथ रख के भट्ट साहब एक तरफ कोने में लेके गए और उन्होंने बताया कि आज के बाद तुम लोगों के पास कोई फ्री टाइम नहीं है there is nothing called you have a free time because every time you are not working you will be writing a script you will be thinking about a story and you will be making a film that is what your life is going to be from here on and that is something which I have always lived with that I never give up I always remember in my moments when I feel that मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ नहीं मुझे अब ये करना है क्योंकि मुझे वो बातें याद आती हैं तो मैं ये लिखते रहता हूँ और उसी में से टिप्सी निकली yes so that's what me and Pooja also looking at doing something together which is going to be we'll be playing our age so that's what we are looking at that's important today so that's what I'm probably doing that's all
well you don't need me to tell you how much the times have changed there's a quantum leap and what is astonishing mankind is that by the time we finish this trailer launch and step down the world would have moved fast somewhere into another time zone. So I think that when your content, your entertainment content doesn't keep pace with these changing times and the changing taste buds of young people who are living life there, then you are left behind. There is a certain amount of restlessness which is reflected so efficiently, so effectively on the screen by Deepak as a writer, as a director. Obviously, he has an 18-year-old son whose energy perhaps he tunes into and learns more lessons than you learn from old people like me. Because I think it's an attention deficit age in which if you don't grab, there are no second chances in first impression. You have to make an impression. That's why when I saw the trailer, I said, and it's a hit. Because that's the way people see movies. They don't see them with anything else but the faculty of their body. You know, we in the entertainment business must realize we're closer to the snake charmer, to the trapeze artist, to the dancing girl. We are not pundits, you know. I think those kind of movies which are slow and inward looking have had their run. And this caters unashamedly to your senses. There are beautiful girls, there are beautiful locations, and you have crime. So I think it is reflecting very unashamedly the times that we live in.
Well, I think that the fact that I can stand on a stage and talk unabashedly to the world about the fact that I used to, at one point of my time, be tipsy. And today that I'm 7.5 years sober, it means that being tipsy and being sober also मर्द की जागीर है नहीं. औरतों की जागीर है.
Wow.
हम भी पीते हैं, हम भी रिकवर करते हैं, हमको भी उतना ही दर्द महसूस होता है, उतनी तन्हाई होती है. And we can outdrink most men. Because our capacity to endure pain is much, much greater. That's a fact. So I'm glad that we are here with these women leading this movie called Tipsy, and it's not a male perspective. And I think that through the fun and the games, like Bhatt Sahab said, these are the times we're living in. High stress, a lot of pressure, no matter what profession you're in, a drink is recommended to take the edge off. It works for some people, it can be disastrous for some. Like what happens to them. रात को क्या हुआ याद ही नहीं है. It's all fun and games to a point, but when you have a dead body in your pool, it's not fun and games. So this is also a reminder somewhere. I don't mean to bring a somber note into the event, but it's a reminder that anything in excess can go awfully wrong. So that is a message I would like to draw home. And like I said, a director who's never had a drop of alcohol in his life, drunk on life, can outdance most of us at most events, can stay up longer, remembers every phone number, remembers every kind of whatever, car number also. So I think that, yes, the times have certainly changed because I think women can get up there and show all facets of us, not only the Sati Savitri, but also the ones who fumble and fall and err and make mistakes, but then pick themselves up. And I think for that, times have changed, and I must say that I have a little bit to do with it because I recovered openly. You know, I made the world my AA class.
Yeah, today's time it is very much meaningful. Yeah, every time. Okay, so there you go.
Is the recipe of life. Without sensuality, the human race would not be where it has come. You celebrate your senses. It's looked down upon by people, and we have in the entertainment world been on the in front of the firing squad for using this essential animal need in man to our advantage. So I think sensuality is something that people use to draw people, attract people, and that's the purpose of the entertainer. To get bums on the seat is not an easy job, sir.
There you said it. So I think that's probably answers everything. So we have used the sensuality, but obviously to a certain extent we've got a film. We got the trailer UA. So we're definitely within the limits. So absolutely, it's to the advantage and for the audience to actually come to the theaters also and sit.
No, I think sex has lost its allure in this age where images come into your home on your smartphone every second. The allure of sex in those days when there was no internet was different. When people had to throng to cinema houses to consume erotic content. But what I mean is, I feel that when you combine a fast-paced, edgy content with sensuality, then it certainly has what you call that word they use is that blood in the shark pool. That when you have blood in the shark pool, the sharks come running. Similarly, content which has got sensuality and crime and promises you a fast-paced, engaging content finds people are drawn to it. Look at your own taste when you go every night onto Netflix. What the hell do you look at? Seldom do you look at content. At times, at the end of the day, you want to see a thriller, you want to see a fast-paced film. This is most of the. That's why they have got so much of that kind of content from Spain, from Turkey. Yes, of course you do. There is a section which wants content which is introspective, but that is getting less and less. But I think today you can't define the word Bollywood. The doors are flung open. The humanity is looking awestruck at the future. It does not know where it's going. And anybody who thinks he has the answer is bullshitting to you. We have to be the answer. Like Deepak has been the answer. He has made his content. He is the answer. So we can't reduce movies, journeys of movies. It's a dynamic thing to one quote given by whoever he may be or she may be way back in time.
We were never on set together, first of all. He had one photo shoot to India and the makeup artist hadn't shown up that day, and Gautam Rajadaksha, God bless his soul, actually did mine and Ravina's makeup for that picture. So their behind the scenes is far more interesting sometimes than the movies we've put out there. That's the 90s for you. We lived very irreverently.
which is
We're not as correct as the people today, you know. I think it depends. It's about people. It's really not about women and men. I mean, I think that friendship doesn't have gender in my books and head. Neither does feminism, for that matter. I mean, I think that I'm standing on stage with two men who are bigger feminists than I am. My father and Deepak both. I mean, they've always, at times, I've been quite prudish about my own life, and they've given me the wings to be able to go out there and claim my space, and that's a fact. I wouldn't have been in Bigg Boss if it wasn't for these two Virgos in my life. They convinced me to do it. So, they've always pushed me a little ahead, but I think that, yes, there is pressure because there is meant to be competition, and I think people get disappointed when the competition is not rife. It's like, to give the example of Bigg Boss, people said very often while I was in that house, अरे ये तो हम साथ साथ है बन रहा है, ये तो Bigg Boss नहीं बन रहा है. But I was determined that it's not a platform where you have to go and demean people. It's a platform that reveals you. It does not make you what you are. So I said, I have to go there and be me. The way I am in front of you, I will be there. Some people will palate it, some people will not. But you don't have to scream to be heard. And talking about sensuality, interestingly, Bhatt, we were talking about the fact that Gaiety Galaxy is just being pulled down. Yeah. And I'll never forget that memory, Deepak, when Ashiki ke time pe we had gone for the first day, first show, and I actually saw in front of my eyes Rahul Roy's life changed at Gaiety Galaxy. And I remember Jism releasing in 2002. And there was a line around the block and over for that movie that promised sensuality, but did look inwards. It was a combination of a film that had sensuality, but looked inwards. Spoke about, the times where instant gratification took too long. Jism 2, on the other hand, grabbed more eyeballs because of the obvious casting and the fact that it was a kind of a part 2 to the original that was a hit, but it didn't look as inwards as part 1. So I think what you're trying to say is that we've seen them all now. We've seen good-looking bodies, we've seen all of that, but if there's no soul beyond that body, I think that you can't grab people's interest beyond a point. So sensuality must look inwards. And it does. And that's when it kind of makes the mark. So I think I'm all for, and these are gorgeous women. And they're comfortable with their bodies, and they're appealing in swimsuits, and they're comfortable in their skin.
देखो, सबसे पहली बात तो प्रोड्यूसर बनना अच्छी बात नहीं है. बाकी सब तो ठीक है. But I'm thankful, I would say that, that in spite of the fact that I was making Tipsy, just going a little off mark and just giving, actual credit to people who actually had trust in me. जब मैं Tipsy बना रहा था और राजू चड्डा जी, he doesn't come from this world and he looks like that he's not the kind of a person who would entertain someone making Tipsy. But then it was surprising when I gave him a narration and he immediately said yes to it. Similarly, Khan Bhai is here. When I told him I'm making a film like this and I wanted, another co-producer to join me, it was immediately that he said no. And I see the spark. It was good. My friend Rumesh ji, Anita ji, so they've been all very supportive, although it was a very contemporary subject and they come from a different world altogether. But I feel that this was very important for me being a producer, I had some good support, so I became a producer. If it wasn't for all these people, this wouldn't have happened. Secondly, coming to the point, yeah, being an actor and a director, it is a huge advantage. Huge in the sense that I preempt why the actor is behaving in a certain manner. And I go to the actor and I clear those inhibitions which are existing in their mind, for which they are probably sometimes they're getting stuck. And I'll tell you an example in the past film where I actually realized between the actor and actress, there was a confusion an actress was facing and she wasn't being able to perform. And I felt that, Pooja, it was amazing that I just took the actress on the side and I said, okay, you're confused what you want to do with your hands. And she was just stunned looking at me. She said, how do you know that? I said, okay, so this is what you do. Then I give them the answer and they were very comfortable. The scene went off beautifully. So I think that is where. But similarly, not being an actor and being a great director was this man. He could actually go inside our brains and knew exactly what was going wrong with us when we were performing and we were not performing correctly. He will bring us to that level of the performance that is required. I remembered in Najayaz, my first scene, he got me to do the most difficult scene in the film. And I was losing it on him, you know. I was like, why are you doing this to me? The first scene with my father, Nasiruddin Shah, and my son coming drunk at home, and he's going to be jabbed by the father, and he says, if you do this, you will do the whole film correct. So you do this now. And that is how, you know, he kind of gets you into that. So I've learned it from him that, you know, it is better to direct an actor in a very different manner than, you know, just tell them, okay, aap jo karna chahe, kar lijiye. They any which way do it. But I think it's the most beautiful part is when you, 50%, what he always taught us is 50% of the battle is won when you cast right. So that's his line which has always stayed with me. And when I was casting these girls, I exactly knew what I was looking for. I did not go by anyone saying that, अरे इसके साथ में कर रहा है, अरे इसके साथ में कर रहा है. तो एक टाइम पे मेरे साथ में भी जो लोग करते थे उनको बोला जाता था, अरे इसके साथ में करता है. So I think that is where everything changes when you are an actor, director. You know exactly what you want, and you can get that.
Hi everyone, my name is Kainat and I'm playing this character called Yami, which is the most oddest character in the film. I'm playing Haryanvi character. So when Tipsy was offered to me by
It's like
Deepak
हमारी
sir,
छोरियां छोरों से कम है के it's like that.
तन्ने बता दूँगी.
अरे
So I chose Tanya's character, which has been played by Natasha. I was really impressed with that particular character, and Deepak sir told me, no, Kainat, you've done a grand masti, and I see a lot of potential in you where I want you to perform and do a Haryanvi character called Yami, which will stand out in the film. I was a little apprehensive because I'm being Punjabi. I speak Hindi, Punjabi, English both, but Haryanvi kabhi boli nahi thi. So I took proper classes for that from Sunita Sharma ji, जिन्होंने दंगल गर्ल्स को ट्रेन किया था. सांड की आंख में तन्नू, वेड्स मनु रिटर्न्स में कंगना रनावत को ट्रेन किया था.
एक डायलॉग हो जाए
ओ फेक आईलैसेस, ज़्यादा साइनिंग ना मारे. बाप के पीछे पे चल रही है तू. तेरा डिजाइनर कपड़े का बिजनेस हो चलिया ना. बाप ना होता तो ठंडन गोपाल होती तू. हम पैसा कमावे क्योंकि कमाण भी जाने. It's a lot there, so
ये
of course
डायलॉग है ना वो
I
टिप्सी
had
पे
to
उतार दिया हमारा.
carry the lingo, the pronunciation. तो मैंने 3 महीने प्रॉपर पढ़ाई की थी.
Right.
क्योंकि कोविड भी था और बहुत कुछ चल रहा था उस दौरान, तो मेरे पास वक्त था. सुनीता शर्मा जी घर आते थे, उन्होंने दंगल गर्ल्स को ट्रेन किया, तन्नू वेड्स मनु रिटर्न्स में, एंड देन सांड की आँख एंड आश्रम. So I thought I will learn my Haryanvi from the best because I'm working with the best.
Wow.
But coming back for the workshops with Deepak sir, that was an institution. वो जो मैंने सीखा, लेकिन जो इनसे सीखा, उसमें ज़मीन और आसमान का फ़र्क था. दीपक सर का जो एक्सपीरियंस है, ज़िंदगी का तजुर्बा जो है, वो इनकी वर्कशॉप्स में मैंने आके बहुत कुछ सीखा इनसे. आई वॉज टोटली स्टन्ड. मैं इनको देखती रह जाती थी कि ये कैसे विजुलाइज कर रहे हैं कैरेक्टर्स को. एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली ऑनर्ड एंड हैप्पी टू प्ले यामी. प्रॉबेबली यामी बहुत ही सोबर कैरेक्टर है आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज गर्ल्स, बट यामी के साथ भी खेल जाते हैं.
Oh.
वो खेलते कौन है वो आपको टिप्सी देख के मालूम पड़ेगा. So yeah, it will be always close to my heart because I've not done something like that before.
Thank you,
Thank you, Deepak
Kainat.
sir, for casting me as Yami.
10 years ago, this project Sir had started, and 10 years ago, I've signed this film 3 times.
Okay. So we can write, na, जैसे लिखा था ना, 12 years old, 18 years old. This is 10 years old.
Personally, I don't think I've had such a long commitment in my life as much as I've had with this movie. And जब हम शुरू भी किए थे, जब Sir told me about the film and all of that, he never gave me a script. But just because I've had known him for such a long time, worked with him on something, and he's just so bang on with everything, I blindly signed it. Every time it was coming up, things went kaput. I felt sad. Then it came up, and then eventually we started working on it. Personally, there were a lot of, for me, like, the question came out of what's it like, you know, with all the girls, and thoda insecurities हम सारों को आती हैं.
अच्छा.
होता है. I'm not going to sugarcoat it at all.
टिप्सी के बाद सच बोल रही हैं. Very good.
हाँ.
Because she's playing Iris.
मेरा कैरेक्टर ही नहीं है. मेरा कैरेक्टर यही है.
Okay.
और वो अभी that is coming to me only कि मैं बोल ही देती हूँ. But by the end of the day, I think apart from the film, we've come out as a family. Alankrita, Kainat, these two especially have become so close in my life. You know, they're one of my bestest friends. I've come out of this film with friendship, with a better sense of humor, and a lot of gumption. So all in all, I think I'm just so happy today that after the 8 years, we're finally here, and we're making it. And I think I'll cry. Listen, you talk.
Never.
So I think I'm playing a very different character than I've played before in all my films. I'm playing this girl from West Delhi who is extremely modern but yet very coy and shy and out there, but has this really crazy sense of superstition which drives her in everything that she does in the film. While shooting the film, me and her had an action sequence which was amazing. I've done the sequence on my own, the action stunt. I fell into the pool and I injured my lip. वो फट गया था मेरे दांतों से और मेरे गम से और मेरे लिप से खून निकल रहा था. It was insane on set that we did this stunt together. Given the fact that she's of course taller than me, and we went down into the pool. We stopped shooting for 2 days, but somehow Sir was so cooperative during this entire sequence because I was swollen like a pig, like that. But somehow, I think my character you should see in the film. You will love it or you don't love it, but I'm definitely going to crack you up. I would say one thing that working with Deepak sir, working with the girls, I would say कि बहुत मज़ा आया. We went through ups and downs, mood swings, difficulties. We had our own charades. We had a great time shooting together because he kept us together. He held us together. It's not easy to shoot. Made sure that we stick together no matter what it is. And the film was a lot of fun. And the boys here as well. You had the lingerie in your mouth. I'm really sorry about that. And you really did a lot of things to us in the film because of which the things went really crazy. And it's my bachelorette actually. मेरी शादी हो रही है तो इसलिए हम एक ट्रिप पे गए हैं गोवा मेरी बैचलरेट पार्टी मनाने के लिए.
कल रात को क्या हुआ सब बताने वाले हो मुझे लग रहा है.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं. आगे please speak to a beautiful Natasha Suri.
Sir, firstly, thank you for making me a part of this film. I was pretty much one of the last actors to come on board. मुझसे पहले और भी actresses थी जो तान्या play कर रही थी. If I had to describe Tipsy in one word, I would say it's a very special film. Special because of the things that it has gone through, the storms that we have weathered to make this film. Like she said, 10 साल लग गए इस film को बनाने में. So I think कहा जाता है कि हर film की अपनी किस्मत होती है. I think हमारी इस फिल्म की डेस्टिनी बहुत खास है, बहुत स्पेशल है. And thank you again for making me a part of Tipsy. And it was such a pleasure to be working with Deepak ji. Thank you again.
Pleasure.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Birje. Bhatt Saab and Pooja ma'am, we are truly honored to have your presence. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you to all the media people for joining us today. This movie is really special and it will hold a very special place in my heart as this is my debut. My dream finally comes true. Deepak sir, I can never thank you enough. It's always the first people who believe in you that matters the most. It is the breakthrough in Bollywood which is the difficult the most. In spite of coming from a Bollywood background, it's not been an easy breakthrough for me. But here I am, excited, happy, nervous, and grateful. Thank you so much. We are looking forward for your love and support.
तो उम्मीद है कि दीपक तिजोरी और पूजा भट्ट का ये जादू एक बार फिर से सब पर चढ़े और ये नई फिल्म दीप्सी लोगों को पसंद आए। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।